Celine.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Lime Green. So today I'm going to be filming another Juvia's Place palette, Nubian Royal. Hopefully I said that right. But this is the palette right here, y'all. Popping. It's all purple. So if you want to see how this look is going to look on me, keep on watching. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, and to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in. So yeah, let's get this. All right, so I have my eyes based with the P. Louise base as always. I have it in the shade 0.5. So I think the first shade I'm going to go in with is this purple shade right here. And I think I'm just going to add that into my crease. And I'm just going to pack it on. Alright, so I packed on the color. Now I'm about to go in with a dense blending brush and kind of blend out the harsh lines. Just going back in and packing on this color that I'm losing while I'm blending. So it's like a repeat process when it comes to blending. Next, I'm going to go in with this shade right here. And I'm just going to put that at the top. And I'm probably going to pat. I'm basically just going back in with that light purple and the purple shade so that everything can flow and blend. Next, I'm just going in and I'm just cutting my crease. All right, crease is cut. Next, I'm about to go in with this shade and this shade. Next, it's time for the speed through, and I'm using Touch and Soul Pore No Problem Primer.
When I close my eyes, I see your face, a memory that doesn't fade away. I wish I could remove you from my mind. I wish I could remove you from my mind. And now you say, oh, I can't succeed. You're here to stay. I've tried always. I didn't mean to feel away. You're not around anywhere. I tried to be what I feel. And now you say, oh, I can't succeed. Yes, we did have some good times back then, and all those memories that stayed the same. You told me what that I saw die buried. You said you loved me without even ring. And now you say, oh, I can't succeed. You're here to stay.
Hey y'all, welcome back. So I finished my look. This looks so poppin'. Here, this is how it's looking. So this palette was very fun. It was fun to film it. So thanks again for tuning in. I'll see you guys later. Bye.
You're here